All right, everybody, welcome to the MakeCode Python for Minecraft show. You can't touch that button.
Oh.
All right, we're here in Minecraft Education Edition, and we're going to be doing some Python coding using MakeCode. We're live on Streamer, but you can also see us on the on YouTube. So Minecraft Education Edition is a special flavor of Minecraft for classrooms, and you can sign in with your Office 365 account to it, and then you can learn coding in Minecraft itself. It's super cool. You can do blocks, and today we're going to do Python, and Nell's going to be the coder. And now we're going to go into a new flat world. So go ahead and create a new world from a template, and we're just going to do a flat world. So now the challenge today in Python is going to be to build a spiral.
What's that?
A spiral? Well, imagine you've got, hold on, I've got my super cool, where is it? Yeah, here. You put a block there. Who stole? Oh, there we go. There's my paper. All right, so imagine that's your agent. The agent is here, and he's going to lay blocks like this. Starting from the center. One there.
Oh yeah, he has to do a spiral.
And then like this. And then like this.
I know what a spiral is.
You know what a spiral is?
Yes, I do.
All right, well, we're going to code it. Now the agent does it. And it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And bigger. Bigger.
And bigger.
Bigger. Well, you get the point. I'm going to keep that here as an indicator. All right.
Can we take that off?
Yeah. So we're going into C, and we're going to do MakeCode. And we're going to be doing everything in Python here. So let's start a new project now. It's not a tutorial.
I think there could.
No, we're doing a spiral. Get my coffee. How do you call that?
I don't know. I have to find the fun name.
Spiral. We can rename it later. Spiraler. Spril. All right. And we're going to be using the agent for this. It's going to be an agent. Python. Yes, that's how we switch to Python. And also, we're not going to do on chat. We're just going to do on start. So we can delete all that.
Zoom in one.
Yeah, that's good. Spiral. So, how do we do that? Yeah, so you always, it's good to teleport your agent somewhere.
Then we have to teleport away from him, or else we're gonna block his view.
Yeah. So let's teleport away. You don't want to teleport in the air. You just want to teleport maybe.
I know.
Oh, nice. Nice use of the delete key. Okay, so that's just to get set up. I'm gonna do that. And I messed up because there's a space here. All right. Okay. So we're kind of ready, and let's start doing that spiral. So,
oh wait, but
oh, that's okay. Comment. So in Python, if you start with the hash, with the pound key on the line, it's going to look green and means a comment. That means we just ignore the code when we run it. All right, build. Python is very comments super useful to organize your code. So now, just to come back to where was it?
My hair.
This is what we're trying to do. imagine your agent starts here. And he's gonna go tuk, tuk.
He's gonna place some TNT? I didn't know that.
So if he starts here, he's gonna move 2.
Hey, I think you might have messed up.
All right.
Can I help him? Go like this.
Oh, one too many.
No, you put this one, and then you...
No, because look, you need a spot in between.
I know, but then...
Oh yeah, very nice. Shows the...
That's better.
All right, so let's try to start with this. We're gonna do this part. All right.
Okay.
So we want the agent to what? Yeah, if you're unsure about how to write the Python, you can go in the toolbox and then you can drag some code and then we can start from there.
This is gonna be hard.
All right, so how does the agent, look, the agent can move, yes. And we're looking at 2 here. 2. Now, you could have the agent place every time it moves, or we can set a mode on it. So if we go back in our setup section, go into the agent and set an assist mode. We're going to tell it to always place blocks when it's moving. And that's going to be an agent assist. If you type agent, and you see there's something called set assist, but you can also, yeah, there you go. Place on move, yes, and it has to be true. Now in Python, true has to be capitalized. And our completion has a bug, it doesn't show it. We'll fix that in a future version. Okay. Mr. Squiggle is happy.
Problem. How come there's no
Yeah, we have a scroll bar at the bottom, so let's zoom out a bit. It's big enough. All right. Should we test that?
Yes. Stretched.
Stretching. Yeah, it's important to stretch when you're coding every so often. Ooh, it's gone. And is not happy at all.
Does it have any blocks to place? Oh no!
Yeah, it's empty.
Can we put some nice blocks?
Yeah, let's go and pick some good stuff in here. What do you want him to do?
I want him to put glass.
Colored glass? Yeah, I see those there at the bottom. Blue stained glass, magenta.
Blue.
We could have a few and then change, and also change the...
But that's later. First we have to get
lot?
our spiral.
Yeah, let's get the spiral going.
Let's try it again.
All right, so we go back to the code and run. Oh.
Well,
yeah.
It place 2.
Place 2. No. Yeah, let's stop moving. All right, so here, he's there. Now remember, we're here. Our agent is exactly here.
Now he just has to turn.
And he's facing that way, yes.
Wait.
So he has to...
Wait, I know.
He has to turn right.
Yeah, but does... Wait, can I use the Lego? He has to turn right.
He has to turn right and move 1, 2, 1, 2.
3.
Wait, no. He's moving 1, 2, and he's going to land here. And then 1, 2, 3. Actually, he should have moved 1. Let's do forward 1. Oh, that's the tricky part, because he leaves something when he turns. So let's go back to the code. And instead we're going to do move 1.
You also have to get numbers.
And then he needs to turn. Now you want a left spiral or right spiral?
Right.
That's you copied the move, so it's just going to do a move. You can't. Oh, you want to do a move left? No, we need to. Let's do turns. Here on the top. Turn left. Okay, left spiral, unless you want to go right. All right, and then...
Get the joke? All right.
Yeah, all right. Oh, yeah. No pun intended. The next move is going to be move 2.
No.
Okay, you want to learn how to select the whole line with the keyboard?
No.
Control C and Control V.
I can't press V. Oh.
And now we want to be a bit longer. So we want to do...
Oh.
We want to do move 2. Let's try that.
Problem?
We're flying?
No. I'm on top of some blocks.
That's fine. We're going to teleport somewhere else. Oh. Hey, yeah, look. What it did.
I like it.
All right. Let's keep going.
Let's keep on going.
Let's see. We've done this, and then we done 1, 2. We're here.
You have to turn right again.
Let's see if I can show that. We're here. Our agent is facing this way.
We have to turn right again and go forward 3.
All right, so we turn right and go forward 3. Let's do that. Fix it. Hold on.
32.
All right, so let's turn right.
I just figured out what you do to get it. 3 and 2. I'm correct.
Should we turn right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, how do you do it?
All right, let me show you. So if you move with the cursor at the start of the line, the simplest way to remember is that if you press shift, wherever you're going to go with your cursor is going to select things. So you keep shift down. See how the selection starts? Now there's a shortcut to that. You just do, you go at the start of the line, press shift, and you press down once.
How did that work?
Now the whole line is because the cursor went down the whole line.
Oh, okay. Wait.
So try it. So you press shift, leave shift. No, you went right. No, now you backspace the code. Only you use the arrow keys to move the cursor. And down.
This one?
Yes. There you go. And now you can do your Control C, Control V, and so forth. And Control V. There you go. Copy paste of an entire line. Much easier than using the mouse. And then now we want to do the copy paste of move. So same idea. We're going to move the cursor at the start. Press shift. Go down 1. You forgot Control C. Shift. Down. Control C. Go down. Control V. You're almost a professional coder.
Actually, I am.
And yeah, you have a copy paste error because you didn't update the number.
I know. Looking at...
There's some kind of a cow right on top of us.
Oh no, that's agent.
Oh, that's the agent? Yeah. All right, let's try it.
I think
Yeah, this is working. 2, 3, 4. So now we should do.
Now he has to turn right and go forward 4. Then turn again. Then go forward 5. Then, you know, it's so easy.
What's going on?
It's, okay. I'd like to do.
All right.
There's this, if you want to see it.
Are we coding?
Okay, yeah, but I'd like to say what we have to do. It's
Can
actually,
you fly? And then we'll see from the top. There you go.
do you know why it's so easy? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
that's interesting.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I can't keep this sign up forever.
All right. So can we use something more efficient than copy paste to do that?
We could use. No, we can't use.
You see the pattern, right? There's a pattern here where
Yeah, it goes move.
it's like, oh, this is really the same code. Hold on. Can I move? Can I move? This is kind of the same code. You look at this like, oh, this is the same code as this, and the same code as the next one, and the next one, and the next one.
I know.
So you see a pattern of code that's repeating. You ultimately think, hold on.
A repeat, but you can't do a repeat since you have to change the numbers over and over.
But there's
again.
different types of repeat. There's one that has a number. It's called the for loop. Or we could use a variable. Let's take a look.
My eye. This is light.
If you go into loops, we've been using repeat a lot, but we can use the for loop.
Okay,
So go ahead and drag this one out.
but the for loop is
But look, there's an I. An I is the value that you're looping through.
great. So what's the difference?
I will go through 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until it reaches 4. Yeah. Now let's move the code in and let's fix it. So the thing we want to repeat is moving forward and turning.
Oh wait, no.
All right, using the arrow keys. So here, shift, and you can select actually 2 lines. So go down 2 times. There you go. Now we're gonna copy this and put it in under the for loop. Yes, excellent. All right, now when we paste things, our indentation might be completely messed up. So we need to fix that.
No, it's not.
Look at agent. They should both be in the loop. That means they need to be at the same indentation. And the other one too. Now we don't need the lines above. So we're gonna completely delete all the copy paste code there. Yeah, that's gone. Now so we're gonna run these 2 lines of code in a loop. Yeah, I know it's sad.
Yeah, we worked really hard on that.
But there's still one problem. We're not using the I value. So I is gonna go through 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 11. But we're not using it. So if you run this, it's just gonna go turn in a loop.
Wait. I don't understand half a thing that we're supposed to be doing. It's literally, this is just like a loop.
Yeah, it's a loop, but in the loop, this variable changes. The value that's stored in I is like a place in memory where you read a value. And it's going to change from 0 to 11.
Can I have an assistant to help me with this?
Well, you're going to use I. Is that mind-blowing? Remember we use variables in...
Oh yeah, I'm going
block?
to use myself.
Yeah.
I will use I.
There you go. So we're going to use that. Let's see how that runs. Oh, well, that's not too bad.
I think we actually made a spiral.
Yeah, we made a spiral. So the I is a variable. That means it contains a number, and that number is changing.
I still don't know why. Oh wait, we have to break this.
Yeah, we could just move to a new place. We could do a 3D spiral.
Spiral's enough.
Oh no, let's make it 3D. It's gonna be more fun. We're gonna move up. We're gonna move up after moving left and right. It's gonna look awesome.
But I think
Move away a bit.
I thought it was already a spiral.
Yeah, but you know, it's Minecraft. We can do
It's
things
already
in 3D.
It's already
Yeah, it's kind of 2D. I want to make it 3D. It's gonna be like a spiral staircase. Yeah, spiral staircase. That's the name of what we're gonna do. Okay, let's move out now and let's do something. We don't have to destroy the spiral. All right. Let's get into the code.
How come there's this screen mushy thing? Okay, good.
Now, what if we wanted to make it a 3D spiral?
A 3D spiral. Okay, I think I don't know.
So something like where you start going higher when you turn. Oops.
Oh, well then.
You know, you go like this, something like that.
That would work. That would
You
work.
go like this.
Sorry, I had a yawn. Do you need help?
You look at that, I'm kind of going 3D here. So that's what I want to do.
Can Zali be the Lego maker?
Zeli is our Lego master on the side here.
Yes.
Gonna help him make Legos. Zeli, can you do a spiral in 3D? I'm gonna try to do it in
It's just
in
Zali has
Minecraft.
to go higher, okay?
Alright, so we're moving forward by I and then turning right. But what I think we can do, which is very fun, is we can also move up.
We can?
Yeah.
Oh,
See,
yeah, I know how we can do that. I know
go.
how we can do that.
You need to click in text editor to put the cursor in there. There you go. All right, we got our model here. That's what we're trying to achieve. All right. Now, what are you trying to do? I see you doing a lot of things. Oh, okay, so you're gonna copy this. Excellent. And paste it there. And then how much do you want to move? So you're still gonna move forward? You have to be very careful with copy paste because you introduce a lot of errors if you don't update your code. So it's kind of it's convenient, but it's also easy to introduce mistakes. And how many times you want to what's going to be the size of your step?
This.
Well, that's going to be a pretty steep. That's a pretty cool spiral.
Is this supposed to be a spiral staircase?
Well, you move I every time, so your staircase is going to be kind of bigger and bigger. How about we move one?
Maybe?
Zali, how about we say don't copy this?
Yeah,
It's a mistake.
No, it's almost perfect, but here you want this to be one.
If you make it super tall, maybe so you don't fall off, you put one on the other side so you don't really
Yeah,
fall
well,
off.
maybe we need.
Another one on the other.
Where's our agent?
He teleported to us.
Okay. Let's run this. See, now we're talking. We just messed up the first step, I guess, but this is a staircase. It could be a cool game, you know. This could be a game where you have to climb the staircase and not fall.
Oh.
Like a race, you know, a racing game.
Didn't we already make one of those?
Yeah, we
but
made
in
kind of one of
blocks?
those in blocks. And also, if you go from far away, it looks really cool. Oh, we only did 11. We need more.
We need much more.
We need much more. Let's go back to the code.
But first we have to go far away so we
Yeah.
don't
If you don't,
overlap.
if you,
Oh, and then what we could do.
We have to overlap. It makes it harder to know which one you're on.
What do you mean overlap?
Like, agent builds and then it goes sort of on that. It's gonna look cool.
Oh, you didn't change the number.
Yeah, I didn't.
go back. So how do we make it taller?
By putting more numbers.
By making it...
300?
Yeah, we can make it... Oh, you can go higher than 12. 67, there you go. Very... So we're using a for loop, and we're reading the variable from the for loop. Are you trying to climb? Are you trying to catch the agent?
I'm not trying to catch him. I'm trying to beat...
You probably need to go into survival mode, though. Otherwise, it's not fun. Oh, we need to solve the first... you know what? Let's move up before we go forward. And that's going to fix the fact that we have...
So, do we go Control X?
Control X to cut. Hold on. And
then...
Control, and then Enter, then Control V. Now, there's a bit too much, so you have to clean up, and also you have to clean up the indentation. Don't say. All right.
You could make two little things so it wouldn't fall.
Let's see if that solves the issue now.
Well, Zilly, Minecraft is not like Legos. There's like no such thing as gravity.
There is if you're in survival.
Oh yeah, I forgot to turn us into survival.
We were too close.
Yeah, we're too close to everything.
Let's go away and then restart.
It's like so hard to know which one is which. And plus we have to turn to survival.
Should we play some kind of diamonds when we're done?
And we should turn it to night? Everybody listen to me. Okay, I just have the best idea. Turn to night, then put glowstone at the end. So that it glows.
Alright, let's do that. I want to see how you do it.
Oh wait, you're also going to be doing it, helping me.
Alright.
Gameplay.
Survivals.
Set. Time.
Survival.
You kind of want to do that before we start. Night.
I know.
So move that line above the for loop. And we're going.
Or here.
Yeah, you only. Oh yeah, perfect. Yes. And then what else do we want to do? Survival mode. Yeah, it's great to use the initialization part of our code. That's a tab that only runs once.
Yeah, we only want it to run once.
Survival. Oh, maybe we can use, show a title. Yeah. You could set all players, not just nearest player.
Well, there's no other players.
Well, let's see if we do a multiplayer game.
Well,
Oh,
so
it's
we
not
could-
happy. I think it has to be capital.
It is.
Plural. Players.
S.
Yeah. All right, and let's show a title for our game. Tell the user what to do. And if we don't know where something is, that's using the chat. But there's another thing called title.
Uh-oh. I
So I'm
don't
gonna do Control Z here.
What did I just do?
Oh, look, Control Z is undo. Boom, boom, boom. Now let's search for title again. It's cool, it shows it full screen, which is more fun. Title, show tar, the first one. So we're going to show to all players. And we have two lines, so we got the big title and the small title. So
Follow.
say, run, climb, and then what's going to be the second tagline of the game?
Kill.
No, we just don't want to.
Ouch.
Ouch! If you fall, don't fall. All right, let's try that.
Oh.
Climb! Ouch, don't fall! Oh, it's night and it's glass. Oh, snap. We broke our code.
We did.
Yeah, I think my fix was really bad. Let's go back to our code. I think I know how to fix it.
How come he couldn't place?
I think we're gonna move up again here. And we're gonna move forward by 1 at the beginning. So we're sure that we have actually 1. And that's gonna finish our game. All right, now let's try it. Night and glass is kind of hard to see. Maybe that's the game.
Yes.
Oh, he's out.
Oh.
Oh, because we are in creative now, so he runs out of blocks. We need to make sure he's got a whole bunch of blocks.
Okay, I'll do it.
You can catch him.
Oh no, here's what we have to do.
Let's go back to.
Oh, you know what?
Let's change the game mode. I can do that if you want. Game mode. All right. Let's find the agent. Oh, you've got the blocks. You're fine.
No, but I'm.
Can I
Glowstone.
get it can I get in Minecraft with you guys?
We're not an account that will work really. Next time. Where is that agent?
Where is he? He's still up.
Still up.
No, here's what we do.
Yeah, we might want to use some kind of
Fast.
chat command. Might be easier.
On chat command. You might want to put this all in a chat command.
Yeah. Yeah, drag the first one all the way to the bottom. Then we're gonna move everybody here. All right. And now take the whole thing. So use the cursor. So you're gonna put the cursor there.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, I know what I have.
So put the cursor, press shift, go down, all the way. Too much. You released it. You can go up and down. One more. One more up. Up. Now, okay, now Control X this. And put it under on chat. Now, here's the fun part. I'm gonna select all this, and look, I'm gonna press tab once. Wink. See how everything moved? So I fixed my indentation.
Okay, let's try.
And yeah.
Wait, I also have to do something else.
No, you're good. Nothing else. You don't need that. All right, so it's called jump. But he's still under. It's still.
I know what I have to do, but you didn't let me.
Yeah, we're good. Let's run and then let's go give him.
Oh no, but I have to do something.
Yeah, just run.
No.
If you run, we can go and give him because the program won't run until we run the chat command. All right, so let's go to this little agent. And let's give him stuff.
Glass.
Yeah, he's gonna run out. We are gonna have to. So there's an assist to start using all the slots, and we probably want to turn that on. So go back to the code, and in the setup, where do we do the assist? Here, the line we do the assist, set assist. How about we zoom out by 1? Now we get more code. All right, so you want to add one more line here, and we're gonna take the assist. Yeah, so we're gonna do agent, set assist, and we can tap that. Now we don't want place on move. Now how do we know what we can do there?
You write. You start to write.
Place from any slot. So it's gonna it's gonna use, once it runs out in one slot, it's gonna use the next one. That's what we want.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, and you wanna be somewhere. And now we have to run the chat command. Let's go. Downfall. Oh yeah, so it's going. Downfall. Oh, you're catching up with them.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fall. It's because he has to
It's getting
build.
higher. Hold on.
It's because he has to build so much.
He's eventually going to run out of
Glass.
what? How much? You gave him 2. Oh, you're getting on the edge there. You gave him 2 times 64.
Yeah, but then I also
What else did he give? Eventually, he's going to go into
gave him cobblestone.
cobblestone. Oh, there we go. So he moved to the next one. And he's done. Oh yeah, no, he ran out and now he's trying the next one.
When is 67 done?
Oh, this is gonna take a long time. How many steps did we do? 67, yeah. Oh, we're far away from it. It'll never have enough blocks. Oh wow! Parkour now, nice. Let's go see how it looks like from far away. I think that's going to conclude our session. The spiraling. Okay, let's take a look at this agent. And this is what the agent is doing. And this was the spiral code, all done in Python. So if you want to look at that.
Oh, wait, we made our own spiral code.
We made our own spiral code. The most important part is here, and we're using the variable in the for loop to do that. We're also learning a lot about keyboarding, which is an important part of writing code. All right, see you on the next stream.